Welcome to E&A Car Reviews. Today we're going to change a battery in the Audi C7 remote control. It's been saying that battery's low, and today it's actually stopped working. So we've got ourselves a Duracell CR2025, and what we're going to do is take this apart. So the first thing you need to do is there's a little button here. If you press that, and that will take out part of the key. Then what you've got is you'll see a silver bit at the back, which is what we pressed, and then a little engraving there, which is an actual button. So you can see that pushes in. So if I push that in, so you can you see it moving? Yeah. So if I push that in, and then what you have to do is you have to pull it, and then that's it. So what we'll do, take out the old battery, get the new one. So basically you've taken the battery out, the packaging, and then take that out, and the positive is the flat side, and on there, on the actual battery fob, it'll tell you which side's the positive. So it goes down like that, and then once it's in, just push that back in. There you go. So a little red light flash, press the button, and that's it. And then all you need to do is, when you're in the car, just hold it up to the side of the dashboard where it says Keyfob, and then you're ready to go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to E&A Car Reviews.